This is the Lamborghini Revuelto, the replacement for the Lamborghini Aventador. This new supercar is set to become the most important car Lamborghini has ever made. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about this supercar and why the Revuelto is the best supercar. What does Revuelto mean? Revuelto means fighting bull, which comes from the Spanish language. The Revuelto silhouette is very similar to the Aventador and has scissor doors, just like other luxury supercars since the first Countach. There are also parts adapted from the limited edition Scion, such as the three-sided daytime running lights and the side air ducts, but the Revuelto does not have vertical fins like the Scion. The overall shape of the roof is similar to a Centenario, as well as the taillights, which are shaped like the letter Y. What is unique about the Revuelto is the high exhaust, which you may not have seen in other Lamborghinis. The Revuelto has many parts for aerodynamics, such as the folding rear spoiler and hidden door handles. All intakes, ducts, and fins are made to function as downforce generators while cooling the new V12 hybrid engine. Lamborghini says the Revuelto can generate 66% more downforce than the Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate. The supercar's front wheels measure 21 inches and the rear 22 inches. The Lamborghini Revuelto features a new monocoque chassis that uses a full carbon fiber front structure. Compared to the Lamborghini Aventador, the chassis is 10% lighter yet 25% stiffer. Lamborghini says the Revuelto represents a new design language that will be adopted by their future models. Do you like the design of this supercar? In the engine department, the Revuelto has a new 6.5-liter L545 V12 engine with 825 horsepower and 725 Newton-meter of torque. It is equipped with 3 electric motors that produce a total system output of 1,001 horsepower. Power is channeled to the fourth wheel, and the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission is now placed in a transverse position. In terms of performance, the Revuelto can reach 100 km/h from a standstill in 2.5 seconds and 200 km/h in less than 7 seconds. For riding modes, Revuelto has several riding modes to choose from. Among them are Cita. Cita is an electric mode for city driving and will turn off the engine and limit the electric motor to produce a total of 180 horsepower. This makes the Revuelto the first Lamborghini car that can run without using its conventional engine at all. However, the engine will automatically turn on and charge the battery if it feels it is about to run out of energy, and the engine will fully charge the 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery in just 6 minutes. The next mode is Strada. In this mode, the conventional engine will always be on, and the total power is 886 horsepower. Then there is a sport mode that can increase the power of this supercar to 907 horsepower. And finally, there's the Corsa mode, which can deliver up to 10-15 horse of power. That's more than any Lamborghini ever made. For the interior, the multimedia system and dashboard design are completely new. With an 8-inch upright touchscreen and a 12-inch instrument panel, and on the passenger side there is a 12-inch horizontal screen. Lamborghini also provides several active safety features on this car. It has lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, lane change warning, and others. The Lamborghini Revuelto is available in 400 exterior color options and 70 customizable interior trim colors. How much will it cost? Lamborghini has not confirmed the price, but has hinted that the supercar will have a price of around $500,000 US. Thanks for watching. Click the like button if you liked this video. See you in the next video.